I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure the YouTube app is updated and you have an active YouTube Premium subscription tied to the Google account on this phone. Once done, open Settings, go to Apps, tap Special App Access, and enable Picture-in-Picture for YouTube. Now open YouTube and play any video. Do not use split screen yet. This step flips the capability on at the system level. Without it, PyP won't launch, so make sure the toggle is on before moving forward. With PyP enabled, play a video inside the YouTube app. This must be the app, not Chrome or another browser. While the video is playing, press the home button or use your home gesture. The player will automatically shrink to a movable PyP window. If it doesn't, make sure the video is playing and you exited to the home screen. Sometimes tapping home too fast pauses the stream. Once in PyP, you can drag the window, tap to show controls, and tap play if it paused when resizing. To finish, position the PyP window where it won't block content, use the pinch to resize if supported, and tap controls to pause or return to full screen. If PyP doesn't work, check 3 things: your YouTube Premium status, the app version, and the Android PyP toggle you enabled earlier. Once you've fixed settings, force stop the YouTube app or reboot your phone so changes take effect. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Google account. That refresh often clears permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.